transferring over here. We have all of our bags. If you ever want to see the amount of bags, we're really excited. We're first going to do a site inspection and tour here, which will be really nice since we are then staying here tonight. You can see how beautiful the lobby is. Alright, to our golf cart we go. Oh, look how cute this is. Okay, here we go. Here we go, ladies. Look at this golf cart and then it faces this way. Oh my. Got Alyssa, Karen in the back, and I. We're excited to be in the store because we are now staying here. It's beautiful.
The best words come out of my son. I like his words much more.
Oh, here we go, Preferred Club.
We have the party crew.
We're in the Preferred Club. We have all of these yummy snacks. Nice refreshments. This is so nice.
The works 24 hours a day up there, and also we have an area.
So we got all checked in here at Now Onyx, and we're actually going to go over to Breathless, which Now Onyx and Breathless, they share some of the facilities. They are actually kind of connected, but Now Onyx, this is the family property, and Breathless is an adult-only property. But if you're an adult staying at Breathless, you can actually come over here and also use these facilities, which is really nice. So we're excited to get over there and check it out.
Totally. We're at Punta Cana earlier today. Tomorrow night we have our first dinner from the park. No, please.
So we're still on the Now Onyx side, I think? Yeah. So we're still on the Now Onyx side. We're walking towards Breathless.
Okay, until here we say welcome home. Once we cross, we say welcome to the party. Breathless Punta Cana is our party brand, and we are the first Breathless of the company. So it is a 5 years old property built from the ground, and we have 750 rooms.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot of rooms. Okay, follow me, please.
All right, so we've crossed over. We're in Breathless. This is the Exhale Club, which is their preferred club here. Oh, those are fun.
Follow me. We have to love each other.
That was funny.
Thank you. Very nice.
there a mirror in this home?
Really? There's a monkey down there. Look. You can pay to do the monkey experience. Ah! Oh, let's go, let's go. We're gonna go see the monkey. I'm so excited. Alyssa, are you so happy?
Yes. I don't have any money.
Wait, I have cash. We're doing it. Come on, let's go. Oh, and a parrot. 2 parrots. Oh, this is amazing. Ah.
Sorry. How much is it? How much out?
I don't know. Hi. Hello.
I have to pay for the pitch, okay?
Okay. Hi there. Oh, hello. Oh.
You have a monkey on you.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Look at it. Hi there.
Hey.
Look at you. Look at me. Look at me. Oh, he got my glasses. Oh, no. Don't poop on it. Oh, yes. You want my paper?
Let me see.
Oh,
Which
yeah.
one?
Video on that one.
Look at me, chica.
Obama.
Look.
That's pretty.
So nice.
Okay.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Right. Is that old bathroom?
Come here, welcome to my party.
Oh, very nice.
This is Adolfino Swiss of It's our standard. Welcome to the party. Come in. Okay, I will provide you all the information now. Welcome to the party. Come in. Allure Junior Suite Tropical View is our standard room category. We also have Allure Junior Suite Swim Up, which will be on the first floor, and also we have Allure Junior Suite Pool View and Allure Junior Suite Partial Ocean View. So you guys know it's subdivided. There will be like a decoration that makes a division between the bed and there's a small living room. So you will have a sofa, and this chair will.
I don't remember what the name of the restaurants were.
It was up here to the right of it. I didn't understand what he said. It was other turtles.
Really? Where? Oh yeah, look. So cool.
That's all.
Hey, come in, please.
Yeah.
We're like, we see an animal like,
Can we hold it?
turtles. Yeah. Don't even mind.
Are we all together? I think so.
Rock there. Cold.
And believe me, it works. When I started working here, I remember 2 years and are you crazy?
Nice. Oh, yeah, that's what we've been wanting. It's so pretty. I love these type of fans too. This just like says tropical to me when it's like that. I don't even know what you call that, like that wicker.
I think. Maybe it is a wicker fan.
So we are going to dinner now at the buffet. First dinner.
First dinner.
First dinner,
Yeah,
of
second
course.
dinner at the steakhouse.
At the steakhouse tonight.